Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I am going to do a stacked model cookstove comparison for you guys. I have quite a few stacked models on my floor today, so I wanted to set them up and show them to you guys and feature the few of the different brands here. I'm going to start over here with the Concept Air Mini, which is manufactured in Serbia. This is a nice stacked model. It's available in a variety of colors. Right here is featured in the gray. It does come in all black and then stainless, where the back side panels would be black and then the front corners would be stainless. All of it is going to come with this nice beautiful stainless trim on the top. This is an excellent model for small spaces or possibly like warmer climates that sometimes you have colder weathers or power outages. Examples would be like Texas, where they got that freak kind of cold weather where the electricity was out. Having something like this is a super nice feature to be able to cook and heat your home during an off-grid situation. This model can burn coal as well, and it does have the ability to bring fresh air in directly into the bottom of the stove here. It is going to be a top or a rear vent model, and it is going to be a 6-inch flue. This model is going to be UL listed and tax credit approved. Here we have the Concept up close. You can see this nice gray color, we call it. It is kind of like silver. It's a light gray for sure, reflective with the lights. You can see nice cast iron door, stainless steel baking oven in there, one single oven rack. This has a cast iron grate in the bottom and fire brick sides, 2 damper controls located at the bottom of the stove. Next to me, we have the Nectre N550, also known as the Bun Baker XL. This is a beautiful large stacked model. This model does have an option with a water coil, which was discontinued. We do still have 1 or 2 left in inventory, so depending on when you're watching this video, that option may no longer be available. The Nectre model is manufactured in Australia, and we've been selling the Nectre stove for over 20 years. It was actually one of the first cook stoves that we first started selling. It's going to be a top vent 6-inch flue. It has quite a large heat output. I would say you could heat 2,000, possibly up to 2,500 square feet with this particular stove. Side to side, I believe you can fit a 19-inch log in this model. Your firebox is going to be located on the top, and your baking oven is going to be located on the bottom. You have 2 simple, actually no, you have 3 damper controls located on this. Your primary, which is going to be located here, your oven control, and then you do have a side damper control as well. Show you guys the cooktop and how it varies. I'll show you guys the cooktop on the Concept too. It always will come with this nice nickel trim. There's no removable plates or anything here. It's just a solid cooktop. On the Nectre, you do have the removable plates. And here's the air shield I was talking about, where you'll get some convection style heat. After that, we have the Rizzoli. This is going to be the ML60 model. Now this is shown with the side panels off. I wanted to show you guys the overall construction of the stove. So if you can see that here, the side panels are missing. The Rizzoli stove is going to be made in Italy. It is highly customizable with the side panels. Comes in a variety of colors, tile options, soapstone options, full stainless steel, black. They have the Luxe model, which has this beautiful glass front door on it. We do have a variety of customizable options on the Rizzoli. You can do a top vent or a rear vent, and it can be a left or right hand vent flue, and that can be changed on site. You just need to change the location of the top damper control here. Now, if you custom order, you could also choose to have it installed on the side of the stove for the flue to exit on the side for an additional upcharge. Here is the airspace I was talking about that you can see on the side panels. This has the stove with the side panels removed. I'm going to show you. This is what the finished Rizzoli looks like with the side panel attached. So they have those nice air channels. You can see that with it off. That's how that air is going to rise up and create nice convection heat, which is going to blow right out the top here. You can see here you can do top or the rear. You can see down inside. I like to show you guys inside the stove here. This is going to be the Rizzoli shown with no railing at all, and you can also order it with a railing as shown behind me on this next Rizzoli model, which is going to be the ML80. The ML80 is going to be the largest in the Stack series by Rizzoli. It is also qualified for the tax credit. You are going to have your firebox located on the top and the baking oven located on the bottom. Now, these stoves are pretty cool because they're primarily going to be wood burning stoves, but they have the option to add in a pellet box. So this pellet box is non-electric. So that's beautiful because this is a wood stove and it doesn't take any electricity. It's essentially just a pellet basket. I have videos on that, so be sure to check out the pellet basket videos on our YouTube channel if you have interest in seeing that burning. I give you temperature readings as well. So that's a super cool feature on the Rizzoli stoves that I like. Again, this is going to have the top and the rear vent option as well as the upgradable side vent option as well. This is what the cooktop looks like after it's been heated, because this one I have burned and demoed in videos, so be sure to take a look at that if you're interested in seeing these stoves in action. Finally, at the end, we do have the Teba. Now, Teba has two models in their Cookstove series. Right here is going to be the Teba, the TKS-19 model. The TKS-19 model is going to be capable of burning wood and coal, just like the Concept Mini over there. So that is a really nice feature if you have coal in your area. This stove burns hot. It's great for baking artesian breads and pizzas and anything else that you want to cook quickly and hot. It is going to be a top vent 6-inch flue. This model is unique because it has panoramic glass view. It is 3-sided on the glass, as you can see featured here. It makes an excellent focal point in your home. It does not take up a great amount of space, but it really does kick out the heat. You can see here located on the side, it does have cutouts and it has them on both sides here, so you get that nice convection heat. You have a variety of damper controls. This is a cast iron roller grate located in the bottom here, so you do have a variety of great controls on it as well. You can see this beautiful 3-sided panoramic glass. I love it. It is so beautiful when burning. I have this stove featured on YouTube, burning, cooking, baking. Check out those videos. Nice air outlets. Porcelain enamel on the baking oven here on the Teba. And on the Rizzoli, they are stainless baking ovens. The Teba model is not currently UL listed, so if you have homeowner's insurance, please be sure to check into that to make sure that that does not cause an issue for you. Now, the Teba does also make a TKS-15 model, which has a larger glass viewing area and is really geared more towards burning wood with the fixed fire grate system. It's not designed to burn coal at all. So check out that model as well. Unfortunately, I don't currently have it on my floor to feature and show to you guys today. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this overview on just a few of our Stack Cookstove models that I have on the floor right now. If you guys do enjoy these videos, if you find them helpful, informational, educational, please give me that thumbs up. It helps me out so much, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. God bless and have a wonderful day.